Zuma is doing smart home the correct way, doing it the right way. There's loads of smart devices that can do, one or two things really well. They're kind of sticking plasters to solve specific problems, but they don't really harmonize and come together very well. At the moment, the ceiling probably had the least amount of attention than any space in your home.
We quickly concluded that we would have to build the Zuma unit from the ground up. Our only hope of delivering on this goal was to design absolutely everything.
Didn't really appreciate how many ingenious engineers I had to go and find around the world to deliver on this vision.
We designed a beautiful product that you sort of almost hide away.
The real core proposition of Zuma is great audio. It just was inevitable that when Morten thought about this product, he would bring Lawrence into the team.
When we set out on this project, it was really about creating 2-channel stereo with illumination in the ceiling. But as we developed prototypes and started to put multiple drivers together, it became clear that what we had here was something which had much greater possibilities. With an array of sources all across the ceiling, you really can make an immersive audio experience.
Right at the heart of it is this drive unit that we've developed in conjunction with Lawrence Dickey.
For me as a loudspeaker engineer, the most incredible thing about Zuma is the amount of processing power it packs. And all these sensors, really, it is so much more than an ordinary loudspeaker.
When I first got hold of the unit, what I couldn't get my head around was the sound.
It's almost like headphones for the room. The sound is omnipresent. If you then add on light to that, then you have something very special. You're looking into how light rhythms can actually change people's kind of mood and behavior, not just in blue and white light, but the warmth of the light and when it comes on, and if that combined with the sound, what happens then. And
one of the last mechanical challenges to figure out how to mount it into the ceiling, and so we went to the drawing board again and came up with our own solution for how we do this more elegantly. So you'd take the product, you'd load it into the ceiling, and then you'd pull on the blade, and that would deploy a constant force spring, and that would trap the product against the plasterboard, like so, from the inside.
Anybody who's fairly apt at DIY or your local electrician, within a few hours can totally transform your home. Beyond just creating an audio light product, it's actually a complete platform of delivering truly smart features.
Our approach is as one unit, it's wireless, it goes in the ceiling, it's a really simple install, and that's it, you're ready to go.
The technologies that we've brought together has broken down siloed industries, siloed lighting, siloed audio. Bringing all those things together is really quite revolutionary.